So you're eating healthy now. That's great. Good job. But you're hungry all the time. So you want to find ways to control that hunger so that you don't fall off track. Or 4 items that are going to help you stay full for longer and still stay within your healthy eating umbrella. Okay? Number 1, beans. There are so many different types of beans and variety of beans. I'm sure you're going to find some that you like. They're so versatile, anything from veggie burgers to chilies to stews to sautés. Beans are your friend. Number 2, potatoes, specifically sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, bake them, fries. You can cube them and put them also into soups and chowders and things of that nature. Number 3, grains. You guys aren't pro-grain, right? So maybe rice isn't your friend, but you have things like quinoa, amaranth, okay? And then lastly, healthy fats. Think avocados, olives, nut butters, okay? And a bonus, water. We aren't hungry, we're thirsty. So again, beans, potatoes, grains, healthy fats, and water. So those are your 5. Apply this to your daily eating, your daily nutrition. It's going to keep you on track. It's going to keep you feeling full for longer. I hope this helps. Let's help, baby.